Hi guys, I'm Kylie, and in this video, I will share you my experience with Nature Skin Secrets. They sent me 4 products and I've been using them for 3 weeks now. So I will start off with their Golden Glow Facial Wash. This facial wash is in a spray bottle and it has golden stuff inside it. I've observed that it produces less bubbles compared to other facial wash and it smells like baby powder. It cleanses my face without stripping off the moisture, and my face becomes smoother and brighter right after rinsing it. So next, I apply the Golden Glow Serum. I personally think that they are perfect partners. They go with each other. I thought this will just be another serum that I will try, but no, it's actually remarkable. I can immediately feel that my pores are tightening and it has noticeable brightening effect throughout the day. I also observed that I had less breakouts while using the product. I will definitely purchase another one if I run out of this. I highly recommend it. It has collagen, Necta Pure, PEFA Protect, and PEFA Tight. The last step is to spray aloe vera spray. I personally think it smells like lychee. It's very refreshing. It can be used to keep the face and the body moisturized. They also have a Glutathione plus milk soap with SPF 30. I haven't really tried this yet, but it looks promising and I will update with you once I start using it. Well, I think that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. We discovered another product line that really produces instant results. So if you're looking for products that produces instant results like this one, then go check out Nature Skin Secrets. I would also like to thank Ate Lynn Vidalion for introducing me to their products. I highly recommend it, especially the golden serum. I will definitely purchase another one once I run out of it. Thank you so much, guys. See you again on my next review. Bye!